Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss about why USA China fighting each other with aiming WHO. The relationship between US and China is going to worsen from beginning of the spreading coronavirus. When the virus entered in US, from that US President Donald Trump wars against China is becoming hard. You know that Trump has also said that this is not a virus, it is a Chinese virus. Recently, US President Trump said the World Health Organization, that is WHO, should be ashamed of itself. And also he added he likened it to a public relations agency for China. Here, Trump administration launched probe into the role of the WHO on coronavirus, and he temporarily suspended the US financial assistance to it. The United States repeated that they pays the WHO almost $500 million a year, and China pays them $38 million a year. Still, WHO supporting China instead of US. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo from USA, he alleged the WHO failed to deliver and misled the world coronavirus. Also, several Republican lawmakers demanding a congressional hearing alleged that the WHO supporting the Chinese regime's disinformation on multiple occasions. China also denying here human-to-human transmission of the virus. US alleged that why WHO declared COVID-19 a public health emergency of international concern instead of probe against China. Second one is why WHO praised China as a global leader in public health despite probe against them. Trump repeatedly threatening China of consequences of its, and it's found that China knowingly released the virus. From the beginning of this pandemic, WHO supporting China without any thinking. Here China become to world leader, and it has support of WHO chief Tedros. Tedros, he has more dependence and belief on China instead of any other country. You know, China is now at good condition after spreading the virus to whole world. Here, WHO suffering much more than other country. If we say the top affected country, they are USA, Italy, Spain, or more countries. In India, this virus spreading its roots, but India used a strategy that is lockdown. From 18th March, India prepared to fight with the novel coronavirus with lockdown. India has focused on its social distancing. You know, China exported health kits to India during this pandemic, but all these kits were low quality. If we assume the price of the health kits that become 200 instead of 600. Indian government collected all these goods and returned to China. Simply we say these are the consequences of helping sense of China to the world. Thanks for watching.